Everyone, Mr. History here. Today, we're going to continue on with some descriptive problems. So these problems, again, we're looking at some like the next level problems. So for us, the next level is composite figures. And this one's actually kind of like a shaded region unit here. So the idea here is that we have this solid and there's this missing piece through the middle. So we have two pieces. We want to find the volume of the leftover. So they went ahead and drilled through the center of this triangular prism. So we need to find the volume of the triangular prism, which is the area of the base times the height. And then we want to subtract that from the volume of the cylinder, which is, again, area of the base times the height. So let's find out the volume of the bigger one first. So the area of the base would be the volume of the triangular prism is going to be 1/2 base times height. Well, base and height here are the same. They're both 5. Times the height of this is 14. So half of, how about 7 times 25? This is 175. So the volume of my first bit, I got 175, and then I want to subtract this from the second one. So this is the volume. This is pi r squared. Well, the radius, we're told the diameter up here is 2, so the radius is 1. So this is just pi times the height. Yeah, because this is pi times 1 squared. 1 squared is just 1. So it's going to be pi times the height. Yeah, that's 14 pi. So yeah, this is going to be minus 14 pi. How about 43? I got 43.98. So we got to find the volume of each little bit. Subtract those, and we find that the volume of what's left over, so all the rest of it besides this kind of inner cylinder, is 131.02, and these are centimeters cubed. So this is like kind of the shaded region stuff that we did a little bit ago, where we had to find the area of the whole thing and then subtract the smaller pieces. Same thing here. Find the volume of the whole thing, subtract that inner piece. Let's look at a different one. It says the volume of a rectangular prism. The volume of a rectangular prism. No, I'm not going to do this one. Yeah, I'll do this one. All right, I'll do this one. Is 655.2. So volume of rectangle. This is the area of a base times the height. This is length times width times the height. So we're told that the volume is, let's declare our variables. 655.2. We know the base of the prism so we know that the base is the length. I'm going to say length is 9, width 5.2. We want to find the height. So when it says find the height, so I'm thinking this is x. So I'm going to plug these in. 655.2 is equal to the length was 9 times 5.2. Let me put these in parens. Times x. Simply, and how simple it is. I'm just going to divide both sides by 9 times 5.2. Because these will cancel. Whatever this number is, if I divide it by itself, it'll cancel. So on the right, I'm left with just x. And on the left, I will have whatever this value is. So this is actually 46.8. And so I'll just divide 655.2 divided by 46.8. And we actually find that this is actually just 14 feet. So just like we saw with the surface area problems, we want to declare our variables. We want to declare the variables, write the formula down, kind of dissect that formula, expand upon it, and then plug stuff in. The volume is much easier to work with though because there's no extra adding the lateral area to the area of the base. We're just working with the area of the base times the height, and it's all multiplication. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.